Hi, so if you have a furnace humidifier that looks like this, which we found on certain Carrier model, as well as some other brands, and there's the tag and the model number, and it leaks, I'm going to help you out. This leak is coming from where the fitting for the water line comes into the solenoid assembly. Step 1 is to shut off the water supply. Now we'll unplug it and then separate it from the rest of the humidifier. And it's just held in by a C-clip. Now let's disconnect that fitting. In the course of trying to fix this, I've tried a number of things, including this nylon fitting. I've also got a new brass fitting. I've used pipe thread sealant, and I've also used Teflon tape. Still leaks. We're going to take a closer look at this and see where the problem is. There you can clearly see the cracks in this part of the fitting. And they aren't surface cracks, they go right through. So we need to replace it, and this part is kind of an ouch. Some Teflon tape never hurts. And we picked up a new brass fitting. Just finger tight. There, it's in there all the way. So slide it all the way in, ferrule up against it. Helps to use two hands here, one to push the poly tubing in, the other to turn the fitting on. Okay, so with a couple of 1/2-inch wrenches, one for backup, just tighten this just. You don't want to overdo it. If it leaks a little, we'll tighten it some more. So here's what can happen if you over tighten it. And it will leak if you do this. I found that out the hard way. Okay, we're going to go turn the water back on. That wasn't tight enough. Water back off. That wasn't quite tight enough. Okay, let's plug it in. No leaks. The humidistat is now calling for water. I can hear it. Let's take a look inside. We're back in proper operation with no leaks, and just in time. The weather is turning here. The cold is here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.